Hello everyone, welcome to our fourth video on Sakura Edge. So now, as you can see, we've got a jet image. Now if you can't find a so it's not the sprites here. So just go to Google and search for a jet plane. Then, well, you should find one. So I'm going with this plane here. So today we'll be seeing how you can make a scrolling background, and you'll also be revising how to make it go up, down, left, right. Now since we've already covered this before, so I'm not gonna explain because I'm sure, because if you've been listening to the series, you probably should already know how you do this. Right?
But let's explain a little bit. So you need to put in the if then statement, right, and all the rest of the operators.
Yeah.
Let's go through as well.
Key. Right. So we're making something like Sky Fighter. But actually we are making the Sky Fighter. But this time I'm gonna teach you how to make it from zero. So it's just pretty much quite easy, I suppose. Move right arrow, move 10 steps. Left arrow, move minus 10 steps. So it's basically like what we did last time. Wait, why? What? Wait, is Y can go down or go up? It's down, right?
Then it should go up, right?
Huh? Y's go up.
Oh, Y. Y it's
Go down, right? Down.
No, Y is up and down, right? So it depends on whether you want to go plus or minus. X is the axis, the horizontal axis. Y is the vertical axis.
Well, not yet.
Got it? Yeah. How about left and right?
So got it.
I think you should use change X rather than you move 10 steps.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Right. So let's do the manage bounce.
Okay, go start explaining. Otherwise, you're just doing it yourself.
Right.
Okay.
So this should be probably it, unless we probably should do this so that the bug doesn't happen. Ooh, what's this? Is it not flipping upside down? Now in the first video we had a problem, but I think it's because we put move instead of change X. So keep that in mind. Right. So now this is the more challenging part. So first we should try to find a background, a good backdrop. What kind of backdrop? Look at this. Ooh, not bad, right? So for this, let's go to backdrop and duplicate this. Wait a sec. Wouldn't it be easier if we just made it as a sprite? Well, I suppose sprites would be better.
Yes, it's fine.
Oh man, even this is not enough to one shot this thing. Just in case.
Well, let's just make it a sprite.
Yeah, I know. So erasing the backdrop. I will show you normal sleep backdrop. So it's like almost completely erased. Yeah. So how do we get this the backdrop as a? It's like, is it like impossible, right? So I think you probably also need to get one. Yeah. Right, so I just go So I just.
Yeah, so we are googling in case you can't see. I'm not sure if everybody can see that we're googling for
Yeah.
plane's background. What do you call it? Let's
No.
look for stars.
No, what about? Oh yeah, stars fine.
Background.
Stars. Background. Images. Let's see if we can find one we like. This one looks good.
Okay. Looks blurred though. Very small.
Suppose. This that's good.
Okay.
This one looks the same.
Yeah.
This
okay.
one. This
Go ahead,
one.
click on this. No. This looks very small. Okay, but yeah, let's save the image as.
So you probably can't see what we're
No,
doing.
you can't. This is you need to.
So we just. So you probably can't see what we are doing. So once you click save link, you just put it in a file. Then later we just upload it by searching for that file, then taking it out. Right. See, as you can see here, we've got it. So press this button here, upload sprites. Then the thingy will appear, but you can't actually see it.
Pictures.
So we saved it in pictures, but you can't see it, right? Yeah, you definitely can't see it. So then we import this. We need to make it quite big. Size what? What's the size of the whole screen? 200. I think that's kind of too big.
Yeah, that's too big now. Okay, maybe make it a bit
150.
smaller. Yeah.
150 is still quite big.
Yeah, make it 100.
120.
Okay, looks good.
Though it's kind of.
Okay, 130 and then. Okay, just make it fill the screen, right? Okay, good.
No, right.
What are we trying to do now?
So first we put the ordinary net, but we can't see the jet, can we? So how do you do that? Go to looks, but go to back layer. See, this will happen. See? Right. So then it should be.
But you should tell everybody what we're trying to do in the first place, right?
So
We're trying to make it move.
Yep.
What?
So first.
Up and move up, so it appears that the plane is moving.
Yeah.
In fact, the background moves down, so it appears that the plane is moving up.
So we should start at 0. 0 for the first one.
Okay, okay, this one, yeah.
Then there's a forever loop. Change y by 10. Here. We know change y by 5 should be better. Wait.
This one
minus
determines
5,
the speed of the backdrop. How fast the backdrop moves.
So we put if. Then we put an equals operator. We haven't touched about operators yet. So it's like the math of coding in Scratch. Wait, no, not the equals operator lah. I suppose it should be this greater than. What's a smaller than operator? Smaller than operator. So here it's 340.
So we are making the background go down all the way. If it goes down below minus 340, which is the extent of the
yeah, I
screen.
also forgot to duplicate this.
Right.
Oh, this is.
We should duplicate it later.
Yeah, I suppose.
Yeah.
So Y position.
Yeah. So the Y position of the
here.
backdrop.
Right here, so you just drag it inside. Go to
Make
X
it go back up.
0.
So it's a
and
continuous
Y
screen.
345. So then we duplicate it.
No, let's do without duplication and see how it moves first. Right? Yeah,
Let's
try.
both.
Yeah.
See, without duplication, this is how it moves. But with duplication, let me show you how it moves.
Yeah, you can see that there's a blank
So
space
we
there.
just start from 3, 4, 0, which will make it continuous like this. See, look at this. A scrolling backdrop.
Wow, scrolling back.
Look
Wow,
what
now.
we've got ourselves.
It looks like the plane is flying, right? But actually, it's
Yeah.
stationary.
So I guess we
Fantastic.
should end this video. We're a bit over time, guess.
Yeah, we'll try to keep it to 10 minutes.
Yeah, but we have a 3 minutes grace period.
We do?
We don't.
Okay. We can edit some music, if you want.
Yeah. Alright. So the next video we add in the enemy clone.
As well as teach you how to fire.
Nah, that's a bit too much. So first we teach you how to fire. Then if there's enough time we'll teach you how to clone. Then the next video after that, or the video after that, we'll teach music and text to speech.
Fantastic. Alright, till the next one.
See you in the next video. Bye.